Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In this edition, we will discuss about the Deep Ocean Mission. Now recently this was in news as the Union government has allocated rupees 650 crore for the Deep Ocean Mission in the latest budget 2022-23. Let's talk about this mission. It is aimed to study biodiversity, impact of climate change, and establish offshore marine stations to explore thermal energy resources. Ministry of Earth Sciences is the nodal ministry. There are 6 components of the mission. First one is manned submersible and integrated mining systems. Then developing the ocean climate change advisory services. Searching for deep sea flora and fauna. Exploring sources of hydrothermal minerals. Ocean thermal energy powered desalination plants. And ocean biology and engineering experts. Let us talk about the significance of this mission. It is important for deep sea research and better monitoring of climate change. It will also make a way for commercial exploitation of the deep sea resources. Around 380 million metric tons of polymetallic nodules are available in the Central Indian Ocean Basin, and 10% of the reverse recovery is sufficient for the next 100 years of energy requirement. Let's talk about some of the concerns and suggestions. Firstly, it can disrupt the ecological balance and threat of extinction for deep ocean species. It can also pose threat of oil and chemical spills and sound and light pollution. It is difficult to carry out environmental impact assessment, and also there is very less deep ocean knowledge. There is also generation of sediment plumes and hence rise to surface harming filter feeders. Better and stricter enforcement of guidelines and more research and development to scale up the technology. Now, what is deep ocean? Deep ocean is generally deeper than 200 meters, approximately 656 feet. It is dark, cold, food poor and subject to intense pressure. This is a depth at which light begins to dwindle. There is absence of sunlight, therefore it is cold and with extreme pressure. But despite the extreme conditions, still the marine life thrives. Now let us talk about the International Seabed Authority. It was created in 1994. It is an autonomous body, international organization that was established under 1982 UN Convention on the Law of Sea and 1994 Agreement of Implementation of Part 11 of the UNCLOS. Its aim is to protect the marine environment from harmful effects of deep ocean activities. The Article 156(2) of UNCLOS says that UNCLOS are ipso facto members of the International Seabed Authority, and there are around 168 nations, including India. It is headquartered at Kingston, Jamaica. It has also allocated India 75,000 km square in the Central Indian Ocean Basin for extraction of PMN, that is the polymetallic nodules. Now, what are these polymetallic nodules? These are potato-shaped, largely porous nodules found in deep sea floor. It is composed of minerals like manganese, iron, nickel, copper, cobalt, lead, molybdenum, cadmium, vanadium, and titanium. These metals can be extracted and used in electronic devices, smartphones and batteries, etc. Also, these polymetallic nodules are found in Clarion-Clipperton zone of the Central Pacific. Now let's take up a practice question on this topic. Consider the following statements. First, the Core Deep Ocean Exploration Mission is an initiative of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Second, the mission has twin targets of ocean bed survey and marine life conservation. Third, the polymetallic nodules found at the ocean bed are rich in ferric minerals. Which of these statements given above are correct? You can write your answers in the comment section below. So the correct answer is B, that is only the second and third statements are correct. The first statement is wrong because the Deep Exploration Mission is an initiative of the Ministry of Earth Sciences. So the correct option is B only. This was all for today's Topic of the Day. For regular updates, you can follow us on our social media handles. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the next IAS YouTube channel.